Hi Momenters, hi viewers, thanks for watching another Moments by Booth video. If you are new to the channel, I am Akeem Boothe, aka Moments by Booth, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. Today, we have a bit of breaking news as Whim Development Company Limited is now selling Block B of their Whim Estates located in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Not only that, but they do have a open house this Sunday, April 2nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. But before we jump into all of the details, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help me to follow my dreams of becoming a full-time YouTuber. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. When you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so Whim Development Company Limited first came on my radar about 6 months ago when they started to sell Block A of their Whim Estates development. And at the time, they had specified that once Block A sells out, they would move on to selling Block B. So we can estimate that Block A has been sold out right now, and that is why they're moving into selling Block B. Block A and Block B are not dissimilar. Both offer the same 2-bed 1-bath or 2-bed 2-bath. The 2-bed 1-bath comes in at a size of 840 square feet with a minimum lot size of 4,500 square feet, starting at a price of 18 million. So the 2-bed 1-bath is for $18 million, whereas the 2-bed 2-bath comes in at a price point of 20.5 million with a house size of 919 square feet and again a minimum lot size of 4,500 square feet. Of course, they are having an open house, as I mentioned, this Sunday, April 2nd from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. And you guys are in luck because representatives from Jamaica National Bank and also representatives from the National Housing Trust will be there, so you guys can talk to the NHT to work out how much you can get from them. At present, you can only get 6.5 as a single applicant, and if you wait until July, which I don't think these housing units will be available at that particular time frame, at least not Block B, you can get up to 7.5 with the new NHT rules coming out. And if you want to know more about those new NHT loan limits, you can watch my video from yesterday. I did a video about that yesterday, so you can check that out. But yes, representatives will be there from the NHT and also from JN, so you can know how much you can get from JN, how much you can get from NHT, and see how much your repayment would be, or estimate at least how much your repayment would be monthly if you're looking to get one of these units for yourself, for you and your husband if you guys are coming together, you and your boyfriend, you and your mother, or if 3 persons are coming together to get one of these homes. NHD also offers that option as well. Again, you can check out my video yesterday to find out all the key details about the new loan limits that are being offered by the NHD as of July 1, 2023. Like I mentioned earlier, Whim Estates is located in Old Harbour, and you will have to drive through the new Harbour Village 2 entrance to actually get to the Whim Estate. At the time when I went, the only available unit to look at was a 2-bed 1-bath. So I do have a full property tour of the 2-bed 1-bath model unit with the allotted land space, the minimum land space, which is the 4,500 square feet. So you guys can see that and get an expectation or an anticipation or a preview of what 4,500 square feet looks like and what you can do with that additional land space. And of course, you can add to the back and to the sides of these units, but you can't add on top of it, and you can't add to the front of it. So you can't change the face of the property, you can't add on the top, but you can do additions to the sides and to the back. That particular Whim tour, I will have it linked down below. Once this video goes live, I'll pin it in the comment section. It will be in the description, and I will have it at the end of this video as well for you to click and watch if you want. I also have a playlist for specifically for Whim, the Whim Estates, so you can check out that playlist as well to watch all the videos from Whim Estates that I have. I know some of you guys might be wondering if there is a 2-bed 2-bath model unit. No, I am not sure, but I am going to try to reach out to them to see if there is, and if there is one, I'll try to make it out there this Sunday and capture that video for you guys so you can see what the 2-bed 2-bath looks like from Whim Estate. I'm also pretty sure that some of you guys might be interested right now just off the rip, and you would like a contact number for somebody from Whim Developments. And this, of course, is a private development, so I personally can't assist you in getting one. However, you can contact Nicole at 876-983-1307 or 876-529-4411, or you can shoot Nicole an email at, not the symbol at, but at SALES, so sales at WDC123.com. And just in case some of you guys don't know where Old Harbour is, well, Old Harbour is about 35 minutes from Kingston. So for those of you guys who are looking, 30 to 35 minutes from Kingston. So for those of you guys who are looking to buy one of these homes to actually get to work in Kingston, or some of you guys work in and around St. Catherine as well in Spanish Town. So it's like a 15-minute drive to Spanish Town or 30-minute drive to Kingston. So it's not that far. The only thing you might have to contend with is the toll fee back and forth each day. That's virtually what most people look at when they're looking to invest in a home in Old Harbour, is that they'll more than likely have to pay toll to and from, because driving the long way around will take an additional maybe 15-20 minutes. Whim also has the option for you to go on their website and you can schedule your own private tour of the model unit and also get some additional details as it pertains to the Whim Estates development as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. I hope you guys are excited about this development. I know I am, and I know it will provide housing for a lot of persons. See, Block A has been sold out. They're moving on to Block B now. So I know a lot more persons will be invested because they see that other persons have also bought in. And it is just a good thing for St. Catherine, and being so close to Kingston as well, it provides an additional option for those of us who can't afford the prices of housing in Kingston. But yeah, that's it. Thanks again for watching another Moments by Booth video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. You can comment down below and let me know how I can improve my videos, what other style or types of videos that you would like to see me do, because this is a channel for you, of course. And don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here trying to do each and every time I make one of these videos for you. And you can help me to become a full-time YouTuber by just hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and sharing this video with a friend. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.